Nollywood actress Chioma Akpotha has made a new revelation about the movie Gangs of Lagos. She revealed that the producer of the crime thriller Gangs of Lagos settled some residents of Isale to allow them shoot the movie in the area. Chioma, who played Mama Ifeanyi, a market woman and mother of musician cum gang member Ife, aka Panama, in the movie, disclosed in a recent interview on the Corner Shop Network alongside Toby Bakre and Adesua Etomi Wellington. On her part, Adesua revealed that she was bosom feeding her son during the movie shoot. Adesua said, Toby Bakre said the people on the streets confirmed to them that the movie epitomizes the true happenings on the streets.